How artificial intelligence is revolutionizing refrigeration systems. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming several industries, and the refrigeration industry is no exception. With technological advancement, refrigeration systems are becoming smarter, more efficient, and sustainable. The integration of AI into refrigeration systems enables real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and optimization of energy consumption, resulting in cost savings and reduced environmental impact. 1. Real-time monitoring. One of the main advantages of applying AI to refrigeration systems is real-time monitoring. Smart sensors constantly collect data on temperature, humidity, and system performance. This data is analyzed by AI algorithms that identify patterns and anomalies. With this, the systems can automatically adjust operating parameters to ensure the best performance, avoiding energy waste and preserving the quality of stored products. 2. Predictive maintenance. Traditionally, maintenance of refrigeration systems was carried out reactively, that is, after failures occurred. With AI, it is possible to adopt a predictive maintenance approach, where potential issues are identified before they become critical failures. By analyzing real-time and historical data, AI can predict when specific components are about to fail, allowing maintenance to be performed on a scheduled basis, minimizing downtime and repair costs. 3. Energy consumption optimization. Energy efficiency is a growing concern in the refrigeration industry, especially in times of rising energy costs and environmental awareness. AI enables energy consumption optimization by automatically adjusting refrigeration systems based on environmental conditions and specific cooling needs. This means that systems do not operate longer than necessary, resulting in significant reductions in energy consumption and carbon emissions. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing refrigeration systems, bringing significant advances in efficiency, sustainability, and cost savings. By enabling real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and energy consumption optimization, AI makes refrigeration systems smarter and more adaptive. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect the integration of AI into refrigeration systems to become increasingly common, contributing to a more sustainable and efficient future.